Namaskaram. This is your Chandumama. Welcome back to our calligraphy journey. Today, I will explain the complete details of our basic modern calligraphy course, step by step. Before we begin learning calligraphy, it is very important to understand its basics and history. In this course, you will learn what calligraphy is, when it started, different styles of calligraphy, and why modern calligraphy is widely used today. You will also understand the tools required, the benefits of learning calligraphy, and the simple steps to master this art. All of this is clearly explained in the calligraphy textbook. After understanding the basics, we will begin step by step practice. You will learn calligraphy guidelines, fundamental strokes, and lowercase letter forms. Once you complete these exercises, we will move on to lowercase and uppercase practice sheets. Then we will practice 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and 5-letter words. Finally, I will share special tips to help you create beautiful sentences with confidence. I hope you now understand the learning process of this course. If you are ready, let's begin this creative journey together. In the next video, we will officially start our calligraphy journey, step by step. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video. Your Chandumama.